I'm Austin. Today we're going to be preparing the E46 BMW for the turbo kit. Today we're going to be taking the front end off, and my girlfriend's going to be helping me. She's in the car because she's cold. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for that 5 extra horsepower in the intro of this video, and let's get started. What's going on, YouTube? It's Austin here. Nick's over there. Paul, turn around. Today we're going to be working on the E46, getting it ready for the turbo project, taking it apart more. No one likes seeing that thing because it's slow and I need more power. What are you doing, Nick?
I'll watch you.
Watch me do what?
Do what you're doing.
We got this turd over here. What's your plan for that?
I don't know yet.
Oh.
I'll find out in future episodes, no worries.
What about this thing, Paul?
Guys, it started. It started, guys.
It did.
It did. We actually drove it down the street. It needs a lot of help to tune. It's pretty bad.
That's one reason why you haven't really seen any updates about it, because yeah, you can see the initial start, but everybody's seen initial starts on cars. So.
It does shoot flames though. Oh,
There
yeah.
will be clips of that within the video once we come back to that. There's a lot that's going to be going on within the next couple of months for sure. We're just really excited for Austin to get started on his and being introduced now into new speed.
New what?
And we're currently finishing up a auto to manual swap in the
He's currently finishing it up. He's what?
in his 2000 Subaru Legacy.
Is it done yet?
That's for a buddy of ours.
So yeah,
Eight
that's-
updates on
oh, we're
computers.
updating more software for more videos, and definitely we got some more updates. I think Heather's decided to supercharge the BMW.
Ooh.
Definitely, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe because you're going to want to see updates on that one.
Show them the amazing bench in its entirety. I'm just saying.
Oh, shit.
Austin has to buy the lights that's going to go on there.
Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button to get that extra 5 horsepower from the intro. That's a pretty sweet intro.
We're going to be updating intros pretty soon too.
Nick and I made this bad mama jamma. Yeah.
That ain't going nowhere.
Bolted to the wall, son.
That ain't going nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I'm the only one that's allowed to hit things with hammers.
Why is that? It's because you're demonstrative?
Boston.
Demonstrative.
When you got to do this?
I think I'm gonna take the old radiator out and drain the fluid.
You started to do that? It looks a little blue since you've been taking it apart. Oh, that's a good knee slapper.
Factory coolant, dog.
Yeah, so are Subarus. It's just like good for 10 years.
New fender, I got in an accident, you know.
Ooh, it looks really nice painted too.
Yeah, someone kissed it though.
Is that your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Aw, she's such a sweetheart.
I just need more power.
What did you all do to this though? I mean, it came a long ways from what it was.
I bought it from your boy Paul
Oh.
for a set amount. It was really cheap. And I fixed her up. She's red now. It was silver. That's a joke. Nick.
I was about to say, I don't remember this car ever being silver, so I was like, I was a little confused. But no, he put a lot of work into this thing. I mean, that's nice wheels. Some
Shout out to Parker. Those are for my boy Parker.
got some nice coilovers up in here. And he's did some good job in here. And then you got some big boy seat up in here too. He's a little taller than me, so I got to drive this thing. I was fucking stretching my legs out trying to drive this damn car. But things sounds freaking wicked too. I love it.
I got that and a bigger fuel pump.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, you're ready.
Yeah, I'm
Yep.
basically ready. I just need injectors.
And that's even, you know, a rising rate fuel pressure regulator. So, I mean, we made sure that he was set up prior to getting this, you know, getting boost for the car. So,
Oh, she's ready for some boost.
next year's going to be a good one. So, people are asking about this. I'm just getting ready to dive into a good video on the SE300. It's going to be a turbo build also on this. I got a bunch of things I need to work out. basically my plans on everything that's gonna get done. That's in a future video for myself that I'll be doing, getting coil on plug, everything like that. This thing's gonna have a big overhaul, standalone ECU, everything like that. So the black turd will be getting built. Then you got Paul over here.
Going in deep, guys.
He went from an auto to a manual trans set up in the Subaru.
Because the auto was junk.
Yep, it had shifting issues anyways, right?
Yeah, sometimes it would take 3 to 4 minutes just to go and drive after you selected it to drive.
I didn't even know that.
That's no good.
Glad I never drove that thing. And I love Subarus. I missed my 2.5 RS. That was a beautiful car. One day I'll get another one. What are you doing up in here right now? What are you connecting?
This is the wiring for the vehicle speed sensor.
Oh, nice.
Because the automatic, the 4EAT, has 2 speed sensors and does some fancy magic in the TCM. And then the manual trans just has 1 3-wire.
TCM, for some people that might not know what that is.
Transmission control module.
Hey, just making sure.
So
What is that? Onomatopoeias? Is that what they're called?
No.
So yeah. Nice little winter beater, good car. I mean, it's not pretty on the exterior, but it runs. Best part about the car are these nice freaking speed lines. I love these wheels. Lightweight magnesium 17s. Ah, these things are nice. I love it. But yeah, so a little bit of a nice little update on the shop. As you can see, there is no yellow Z here no more. We had a friend that decided that he needed something a little cheaper. So
he's moved on to bigger, better things.
Yep. So
we're proud of him.
We're hoping that he starts up his own channel and we'll be able to shout that out to you guys for the Banana. And that thing is transmissions connected to the engine, everything like that is getting ready to be put in. So we're waiting for him to finish up on that right now. And you guys should probably see a few videos of that itself. You know, stop over and see how everything's going at his new shop. But yeah, it's nice and clean up in here. We had a BMW fanboy. But yeah, so I don't know if you guys have any questions, what you guys want to see, let us know, drop it down in the comments. We'd really like to know any questions you have on us, on the new guy Austin here. We'll be waiting for some questions.
Okay, what are we gonna do next time, babe?
No idea.
We're gonna empty the coolant, empty the oil. Sorry the video was kind of stupid. It was just a time lapse. There's nothing to really record. Thanks for helping. In part 2, we'll be draining the coolant and the oil like I said. We didn't really get much done. We kind of just took the front end off. And we'll do more on part 2, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
and hit that bell icon. Yeah, it'll do it. It'll make me happy. And Paul and Nick. And do you have anything to add?
No.
Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!
And we can answer them. And then we got my little girl right here. What are they supposed to do on YouTube? What do you say? Come on. She can't hear you. Speak it up. No, they still can't hear you. You gotta say it loud and proud.
You got hope?
Come on. She ain't gonna do it. That's just typical her. So what do you do, Austin?
Like,
Paul?
subscribe, because you guys always go backwards.
Comment and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all the new stuff that's gonna happen. This is from New Speed. We love you, and one thing we really want is if you could share us. We're really trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. We're at 227 right now. We know there's a lot of people out there that love our videos. We just want to see a little more love. That'd be great. We're really trying to drive this place a lot further than where we're at right now. We got a lot of things in the works to where we want to be. A lot of other cars we want to do. There's a mini truck outside that's mine, that future build, but we need your guys' help for us to get there, because that build's going to be something different and really awesome. Say bye.